Hi, welcome to Medicine and Surgery Course Mastery YouTube channel, where we help pre-clinicians appreciate, understand, and internalize medical concerns and concepts in piecemeal. Today, we are looking at 17 topics in anatomy, which are sub-other topics that can help study most of the topics in all of the topics, all of the major topics in anatomy of upper and lower limb. So here's the mnemonics. Let's dive in. Please never ask very old student questions. Please never ask very old student questions. Many fail comprehensive joint board exams because brachial anatomy always feels challenging. Okay, say that again. Pause where I paused over and again with your eyes closed, eye open. Take out time, write it out, repeat it. Then you now think of what it stands for. Is that okay? Is that clear? All right. Please never ask very old student questions. Many fail comprehensive joint board exams because brachial anatomy always feel challenging. Can you do that for a while before you come back to check what it stands for? Now, popliteal, please, stands for what? Popliteal fossa and cubital fossa. Okay. Nerve stands for what? Nerve and nerve plexus. Ax stands for artery and anastomosis. Very stands for veins and venous drainage. OD stands for organs. Student question stands for spaces, example quadrangular space. Now, take a pause and run through it again. First, start recalling the mnemonics from the beginning to the end. You're going to make mistakes, sure, okay, but open your eyes, try to look at it once or twice, and when you miss it, look at it over again, read from again, then close your eyes, recite it over and again, becomes. Then when you're done, write it out, and then try to send it to a friend or two. Try to teach it out to someone in an audio and send them this recording. If this is helpful, please try and subscribe so you can have such content as this and beyond. Now, see how we add diagrams of these structures. Okay, see the diagrams of each of these structures across it to help you appreciate this. This is to tell you that anatomy can best be appreciated by revisiting repetition and by realizing the structure. So if you can't borrow the bones, you can bend your eyes on these beautiful pictures. So let's round it up. Mnemonics once again. Please never ask very old student questions. Many fail comprehensive what? Joint board exams. Why? Because brachial anatomy always feel challenging. Please stands for what? Popliteal and cubital fossa. You can see the diagram. Never stands for what? Nerve or nerve plexus. You can see the diagram. Ax stands for what? Anastomosis and artery. Very stands for what? Veins and venous drainage, as well as lymphatic drainage. O stands for organs. Student question stands for spaces, example quadrangular space. Many stands for muscle movement. Fail stands for FRASH, which is femoral ring, femoral artery, femoral sheath, femoral canal, femoral hernia. Comprehensive stands for cavity. Joint stands for joints. Body exam stands for breast or mammary gland. Because stands for bones. Okay. Brachial stands for brachial plexus. Brachial stands for brachial plexus and other plexuses like the lumbosacral plexus, sacrococcygeal plexus, and all that. Anatomy stands for axilla. You can see it. Always stands for arches, either of the foot or of the palm. Feel stands for femoral triangle, and challenging stands for classification of joint as well as anatomical terms. All right. Thank you very much. Let's watch out for the next one. I'll be picking one or two and see how it goes of this topic and a subtopic in which you can answer your theory question with. Okay. Once again, subscribe, share with your friends for much more live sessions.